Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to this webinar on Azzapt. Azzapt is a cloud-based service which allows you to create accessible reading material anytime, anywhere, any place. So you can create your reading material in different formats and you can access it on your smartphone, your computer or your tablet. So as I said, it's a cloud-based service and it's for anyone who needs to access documents in different formats. It's especially helpful for people with dyslexia or any other visual impairment, but it's also handy for anyone who needs personalised documents on the move. And it makes your documents available on any computer, tablet or smartphone. So Azzapt allows you to change the size of your print so you can make it larger. It allows you to change your background colours, change to different font styles, and you can have audio and EPUB versions of your files. So, for example, you upload a PDF document to Azzapt, and on your computer you can have a new Word document with your new font colours and so on. On a tablet you might want an ebook, so you can upload your PDF to Azzapt, and on your tablet you'll get the EPUB version. Or on your phone you might want to hear it, so you'll get an MP3 on your phone that you can listen to. Now you can personalise your Azzapt settings so that the documents are available in the format you prefer, and this can be different actually on each type of device that you use. So for example, you can listen to audio versions of your files when you're on your smartphone, and you can access these same files as MS Word documents with large coloured fonts when using your computer. The file types that Azzapt can personalise are Microsoft Word, OpenOffice or RTF, rich text format, PDFs, EPUB and plain text. So how do you get Azzapt? Well, you register for it. So you go to www.azzapt.com and then you follow the registration link. And shortly after that, or shortly after you submit the registration form, you'll receive a validation email. So you follow the link in the email and you log into Azzapt. At registration, you'll be asked to follow a link to connect your Dropbox account to your Azzapt account. And if you don't already have a Dropbox one, you can create one. And then on a new web page, you'll be asked to allow the Azzapt app to connect to your Dropbox. So you would select Allow. And then you're taken to the welcome page with a link to the Azzapt settings page. So you follow this link to personalise Azzapt for yourself. So I'll take you shortly into Azzapt, but just a few things to point out beforehand. From the home page, you'll be able to upload your files, create folders, download personalised copies of your files, delete folders if they're empty, change your device settings, and then there's other links that you can look at for help, feedback and settings pages. So I'll just go through now to Azzapt. Okay, and I'll log in. I've already set up an account, so I'll just log in now. And it asks me for my email address and my password. So I'll just log in. So you can see this is your front page here now. And this is your home button. This is your settings page. So if we click on that, it'll take you through to settings. And you'll see here that you can change the settings for your computer, your tablet or your mobile. So at the moment I have the computer set up to read my files in MP3, but you can choose to not require that. You can have a personalised Word document, personalised PDF or an ebook. Okay, and again the same for tablet. I just have this set up at the moment for the ebook format, but again you can change the settings to your preference and your mobile phone as well. Okay, you can put in whatever you prefer there. So that's the device. If we go along to the text, then you can change the text settings to suit yourself. At the moment I have it set in Arial, but if you use the drop-down menu you can see that there's other ones come up. Again, the font sizes as well, I have it set to medium, but say you can change it to large or very large, or have it no change or normal. And then you can change the font and background colors. So at the moment I have the font color set dark blue, but as I say, if you click on the little drop down menu, you'll see that there's a range of colors come up and you can change to suit yourself. And the same with the background color. I just have it set at a pale cream color there, but you can choose your own. And you can also change the heading and the title styles. I have it changed to bold at the moment, but you can have it underlined if you want, or you can have it bold and underline, or you can just leave it at default. So those are your text settings. And if we click on audio, you can change the speed and the voice for audio. So at the moment I have it set on normal speed, but you can choose to have it very slow, which is 50% of normal speed, slow, 75%, slightly fast, fast, very fast, or extremely fast if you so wish. And the voice, there's various voices. There's Scottish Heather there, there's Jess and Jack and Sarah, and I have just set it with Sarah, but you can test each of these. If we test Jess, you'd maybe heard that or maybe not because this is going through GoToMeeting, but as I say, it lets you test out the voices for yourself. Just put it back to Sarah there, and then it shows you the files that it supports. So MS Word documents, OpenOffice documents, and rich text documents, PDF documents, EPUB documents, and plain text files. So when you have chosen your specific settings, you simply just save that, and that will save your particular settings. So let's test it out. We're on the computer at the moment, and if we want to upload a file, I'll just create a new folder actually to put my file into. So if you click Create New Folder, and let's see, we'll just put in today's date for the name of it. Just to go back and change that, okay, and click on Submit. So you can see now that you have got a folder, and if we click on that, it doesn't have any files in it at the moment, but we'll upload a file. So I'll just click on Upload File, and I'm going to browse now. So I'll just have a look on the desktop to see if there's anything I can upload here. So let's see, there's a Word document, flash audio button instructions. So I'll upload that. So click on Upload, and it should take a few seconds. It should come up. So there you are. You can see that it's there, and it's an audio. Okay. So let's see. I want to hear it now. So I'll click on the Download as MP3. I'll just save it there, and I'll open it. Now, hopefully you were able to hear that. You can see the audio file, and as I say, it's playing the instructions to me. You may not have been able to hear it clearly because it's going through GoToMeeting, but it's there, and it does it quite quickly. Let's see, we want it as a PDF. So if I click on that one, and if I open it, and there you can see that it's in PDF, and it has used the colours that I chose at the beginning, the pale yellow colour or dark cream and the dark blue writing. And if we check just the Word, we'll just do that as well. We should find that it has created the Word document using the colours that I set up at the beginning, and indeed there you are. So you've got your yellow background and your dark blue writing. So you can see that it's very easy to do that. You can also do it for whichever device you happen to be on, if it's your mobile or your tablet, and you can choose the settings for each of those devices. I don't have the ebook software on my machine, so I can't test that out, but it would produce it in a EPUB format. Just to go back to home then, so there's my folder that I created. If I no longer wanted that folder, I could click on delete this folder. Or if I want to upload another file to it, I simply just click on it, open it, and upload another file. Okay, so that in a nutshell is Azzapt. It's a very simple little package, or a simple, it's cloud-based software, it's not a package, obviously free to use, and it allows you to create your, or get your documents in more accessible formats and change your settings and whatnot. Now, just one other thing that I want to mention in addition to Azzapt is CapturaTalk. And CapturaTalk for Android makes text content accessible and provides literacy support to improve reading and writing skills on Android mobile phones and tablet devices. You can read, hear or edit any text you photograph, download or type. And it's a support tool really for people of all ages and abilities requiring reading and writing support, especially those with dyslexia or learning English as a second language. Some of the features here, you can dictate your words and convert to digital text with voice recognition. It has a fully integrated dictionary. You can save text as audio files for listening back to at a later date, and it also has a facility to store keywords and phrases. You can actually try it out. It's free. There's a 30-day free trial, but there's a charge then after that if you want to buy it. But it's just really to make you aware of CapturaTalk, and again, it's useful for those people with dyslexia. Okay, well, thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.